So I'm launching a 5-month challenge for myself today. And I want all of you guys to get involved, support, give me advice, because at the end of the day, I need accountability. I'm getting this done. So now it's out in public. It has to happen. What is the challenge? I'm launching an in-person and virtual community. It's going to start virtual and then it's going to start expanding. Who is it for? Anyone that is in the remote sales space. Whether you're just getting into sales, you're a setter, you're a closer, CSM, sales manager. I want to do something very, very different and I want everyone to get involved. Let me quickly introduce myself for those who don't know me, and then I'm going to tell you exactly how it's going to work along with your suggestions and advice. So my name's Joel Elstar. I've been in the high ticket space since 2017, and I've pretty much done everything. Closing, setting, had my own business, lost my businesses. Now I've been in recruitment for several years. But the biggest thing that has really brought me joy in my life is having incredible communities, whether it's in person or online. So what I want to do, I want to just create this amazing community where we give you access to everything you need to be successful. Whether you're just getting into sales, whether you're a setter, a closer, a CSM, sales manager, but also how can you start making more money outside of your job than in your job? How can you utilize the job that you have now to utilize those contacts to make even more money than you can ever imagine? So I'm going to be sharing my experiences, how I've always made more money outside of the place of work than the place of work. But on top of that as well, I want to share my journey. I want to share the daily challenges. Again, I want you guys to give me feedback, give me advice, but also part of the community, I'm looking for people that really want to give back, be in service to others. There's going to be a charity part in there as well. Yes, you don't have to be involved with charity. I'm very passionate about charity, but we are going to be doing in-person charity events together. I'm going to be traveling around the world, as I always do. I've been to 52 countries, and I just want to keep on going to more countries and just keep building houses, schools, wells, and so much more. Can I do it by myself? I have been, but I want more people to get involved. And I've always got this thing in my mind where it's like every time I do a charity event, and this is one of the biggest bottlenecks I had for a long time, is how much content do I post of the charity that we do? Because one side of me is like, Joel, you're doing charity to give back. Don't share what you're doing because it's not to be shared. But on the other side, I'm like, the more I share about the charity, the more people see what we do, the more people can get involved and make a difference. So I'm kind of I'm just going through that mental battle at the moment. But again, this community is going to be absolutely incredible. We're going to be providing so much value. We're going to be bringing in incredible coaches, setter coaches, sales coaches, networking coaches, opportunities to make more money outside of this high ticket space than in the high ticket space, as well as new opportunities, job boards, exclusivity, so much more. But it starts with the accountability. It starts with actually launching and getting involved. So the challenge is to get 1,000 people into the community in 5 months. That is the challenge. So if you want to follow the journey, just, like, comment. I'm going to be posting on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and I need the accountability, right? So anyone that has done these challenges, reach out to me as well. Give me some advice. That'll be absolutely incredible. I'm going to be posting daily content over the next 5 months. Here it goes. It's out. It's in public. I now need to keep myself accountable. So I hope you guys enjoy this journey over the next 5 months together. It'll be really great to see you part of the community. For those who do know and has been part of my previous communities, you know how much value that we always provide. So with that being said, looking forward to you guys reaching out, joining the community. Like, comment, share this, because again, I just want this to get out there. I want everyone to know what Nomadic Closer is about, what we're going to be creating together, and how we can help you make more money as well. Here we go. See you soon.